Can you see yourself in the 2020 Nissan Armada? This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer. Here's an overachiever with a commanding presence, the Nissan Armada. This full-size three-row SUV is a polite powerhouse, offering an upscale interior, smooth quiet ride, and brawny towing capacity. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, third row seat, heated driver's seat, wood grain interior trim, power passenger seat, power liftgate, remote engine start, satellite radio, iPod, MP3 input, heated mirrors. Feel prepared for whatever the road has in store in this bold and beautiful Armada. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.